Working with BGA chips in complex PCBs isn't easy. Uneven heat, damaged boards, weak airflow control, and inaccurate temperature settings can ruin expensive components. That's where professional BGA rework stations make a difference. They deliver precise heating, stable temperature control, and safer chip removal or replacement. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best BGA rework stations for repair professionals and electronics technicians. We researched specifications and real user feedback to build this list. Links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more repair tool reviews.
Number 5. YIHUA 853A SMD BGA Rework Soldering Station. The YIHUA 853A is a practical entry-level BGA rework station designed for PCB repair and chip desoldering. It features a powerful bottom preheating plate that ensures even heat distribution, reducing board warping during repairs. With adjustable temperature control and stable heating performance, it's suitable for SMD and BGA components. The built-in PCB holder improves working stability, while its compact design fits well in small workshops. Ideal for technicians who need reliable preheating and controlled soldering at an affordable level. Number 4. SUGON 8630 Pro 1300-watt BGA Rework Station. The SUGON 8630 Pro delivers strong 1300-watt hot air performance with precise digital temperature control. Its curved nozzle design improves airflow concentration, making chip removal cleaner and safer. The intelligent display allows accurate monitoring of heat settings, reducing overheating risks. With stable airflow and consistent output, it's well-suited for mobile phone PCB repair and BGA rework. Durable construction and professional-grade heating make this station a dependable option for technicians handling frequent repair jobs. Number 3. IR6500 BGA Rework Station. The IR6500 uses infrared heating technology for uniform, non-contact heat distribution. It features closed-loop temperature control, ensuring stable and accurate thermal performance during BGA chip rework. The included USB interface allows connection to a PC for temperature curve monitoring and adjustments. This system minimizes thermal shock and improves soldering precision. Ideal for advanced repair environments, it provides professional-level control and reliability for motherboard, laptop, and console PCB repairs. Number 2. ATTEN ST862D 1000-watt BGA Rework Station. The ATTEN ST862D combines intelligent hot air control with a powerful 1000-watt heating system. It features automatic sleep mode for safety and energy efficiency, plus precise digital temperature regulation. Designed mainly for mobile phone and small PCB repairs, it offers stable airflow and quick heat recovery. Its compact structure saves workspace while delivering professional-grade performance. If you want a smart, efficient, and reliable hot air rework solution, this model is an excellent choice.
Number 1. PUHUI T962 Infrared Reflow Oven. The PUHUI T962 is a powerful infrared reflow soldering station built for serious BGA and SMT work. It uses infrared heating to deliver even thermal distribution across the board, reducing soldering defects. With programmable temperature profiles and a built-in smoke channel for fume management, it offers enhanced safety and precision. Suitable for IC heater applications, BGA reflow, and batch PCB repairs, this machine provides professional-level results in a compact desktop design.
If you need precise heat control and safe chip handling, a quality BGA rework station is essential. These 5 models offer strong heating performance, reliable temperature control, and professional repair capability. Whether you're fixing phones, laptops, or PCBs, there's a solution here for every technician. Which one fits your workshop best? Comment below and subscribe for more tool reviews.